this is an illegal, but nothing to do with the hearing. He cannot be hearing. He is now acting as though he is, doing the plan. But don't understand. This is very badly done. Collector is saying he is not going to accept registration at the site. Though he given in the newspaper notice. 30th of January newspaper notice दिला ते 11 सुमार ते हांगा registration करताले म्हणून ते आता इन्कार केला collector.
Okay, and what about those who registered?
Those who registered because they are not at all capable. There are only 50 people are sitting in the hall.
Why they refuse this one? Why they don't this one?
Only 50 people are sitting in the hall. Hearing is not started because they are translating the whole coastal zone into Konkani. So your time is not wasted. Konkani ला तो Konkani बोलेता आणि समझे सांगता आणि तो literal translation करता and doing all that. Translation is going on into Konkani. It will take about 2-3 hours. That is what they how they will see that you don't get a chance to speak at all.
Exactly. Now, this is the public hearing. The crowd. This is the public hearing.
No, but Doctor, everybody doesn't have WhatsApp, email and everything.
Hello, you can't do like this. What's on? You are press. Yes, sir. You can't do giving wrong signal for them. No. Please. So get down. Get down. Hello, Mr. Get down.
Yeah, we will be here only. We will wait here till they stop that.
Till they stop. Don't allow them to
No, let them take us inside.
What is there for them to just sit them
become
inside?
a airport security complex. More security than in the airport. So forget about it.
Sir, what is the position now?
The position now is that the public hearing, so-called public hearing has begun. The collector has told me personally that he is not accepting the notice that they can register till 11 o'clock.
Yeah, but sir.
That notice is issued by Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority. The collector is not supposed to change the notification issued by Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority. As a result of it, all this public is kept outside. They are come for the hearing and they are not able to participate in the hearing. This is a very serious thing because they are violating the public notice given in the newspapers on 30th of January.
Yes.
And there are many people here who have registered by email. Their
But are not
names
allowed.
also not come.
Yeah.
Confirmation has not come. This is a very, very badly
How many
organized.
people were allowed?
Secondly,
Not
they
more than
said
50 people are inside.
today there are not more than 50 people inside the hall. I have counted physically just now 5 minutes ago. There are 30 policemen separate. So there are 80 people in the hall, 30 policemen and 50 participants.
But they
This
told
is the
that,
situation.
they
But how
told that
many were
150
allowed?
will be allowed.
And 150 outside, they're not allowing them inside.
Not allowed.
Even they are registered. Even
They're
they are
not allowing them
registered, but they are not allowed.
Even I have
Not
sent my
registered.
name, a letter, everything, but my name is not. I did not get a confirmation. This means it is selected.
50% of the capacity of the hall can be allowed.
No, the hall is empty.
150.
The hall is empty.
No, earlier the